Hey everyone, so let's make this cute Christmas nail art today. So here we go. First, I'm going to apply pearly white nail paint as a base coat for my nails, and after that, we will go ahead with the design. Alright, so once your base coat gets dry completely, we will be using green color and red color for the nail art. We are going to show our nail as these are wearing Christmas caps. So I really like this design. It's cute, it's easy, and it's simple, and it's easy to make. And I can say it is can be made with no tool, or like tool which we are not actually tool, but accessories or some things which we have generally in our house, like some matchstick or a toothpick or a ball pen or any pointy, like less pointy thing which we have. We can use that as a dotting tool. Later on I'm going to use that, so go ahead and watch this till end, guys. Okay guys, once it's done, create some tiny white color dots with using a white nail paint and a toothpick, and you can go ahead and create the effect that your nails are wearing a winter Christmas cap, and it is looking so cute and so nice on nails. So repeat the process, and once it's get done, you have the final result, guys. Alright guys, so you can complete this till now, but I want to enhance it more, so I have added some little bit hearts with this nail art, and it is looking so much cute. So if it is looking cute and you like this, then please comment below and subscribe my channel, guys. One subscribe and motivates me a lot, and I will go ahead and make some new fresh content for you. Some new videos will be there, so please subscribe, guys. Also, don't forget to share this with your friends, family, or anyone who needed this. After adding some little green and red hearts, the nail design looks complete to me, and it is looking so much good, isn't so? Right, I know you also like that, so please hit the like button and subscribe my channel, and I'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye guys, stay blessed, happy and healthy. Thank you so much.